Hello everyone, my name is Naomi Wangbushi from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm the co-founder of the Girls Techie. The Girls Techie is a non-for-profit, all-female central organization aimed at empowering, connecting, and inspiring young girls in STEM. At the Girls Techie, we believe every girl has the opportunity to explore her potential in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which is why we provide hands-on training in coding, digital literacy, and so on. With chapters in Nigeria, Tanzania, and Kenya, we plan to expand further. We're not just teaching skills, we are creating a movement of confident, innovative, and inspired young women who are shaping the future. Join us in building a future where girls lead boldly in STEM. Whether you want to partner with us, volunteer, or learn more, visit us, follow us at the Girls Techie on Instagram, LinkedIn, and together let's break the barrier and spark the change. Thank you.